It's story time with Mac.
Hello, darlings. I hope you all are good. Welcome to Storytime with Mac. Our today's story is Ant and the Grasshopper. The ant and the grasshopper were very good friends. In summer, the ant worked hard to fill his storage with food. While the grasshopper was enjoying the fine weather and playing all day. He relaxed in the sunshine and played with his ball. When winter came, the ant was lying cozily in his home surrounded by the food he stored during the summer. While the grasshopper was in his home hungry and freezing. He asked the ant for food and the ant gave him some. But it wasn't enough to last the entire winter. When he tried to ask the ant again, he replied,
I'm sorry, my friend, but my food is just enough for my family to last until the end of winter. If I give you more, we too will starve. We have the entire summer to prepare for the winter, but you chose to play instead.
So, darlings, in this story, winter represents a time in a life when food and resources are scarce. While summer is that time when everything is in abundance. So if you have a lot right now, save some of it for the winter. See you next time. Bye-bye.